Hey everyone, David Merritt here from Headset Advisor. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new Bose 700 UC Bluetooth wireless headset. This is Bose entry into the professional headset UC space, and I'm excited to unbox this and give you a sneak peek of this product. We're going to be doing an in-depth review shortly after, so pay attention, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get up to date on the latest videos. But let's dive into it now. All right. Let's undo this nifty thing here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. It's got a nice leather case. Of course, you got to get rid of all that moisture in the air, so that's good. It's the first time I've seen that in one of these boxes. You got a nice hefty manual with lots of jargon and lots of different languages that we're going to set to the side here. All right, let's see what else is included. Bose always does a great job with their products, just making it feel premium. This is a high-end product. It's going to be on the premium side price range. So there we have it here. This thing looks cool. Kind of unique design. I haven't seen anything like this before in the headset space. So it looks like the cups rotate just 90 degrees about. Feels really nice. All has uniform design. As you can see, it's 2 speakers. Looks like it's labeled left and right there. That's cool. And the big addition, they have the consumer version of this headset, but this is for the professional environment, those working remotely or working in an office environment that have like Ring Central, Microsoft Teams, any of those types of computer applications. This headset's designed to work with those, and also of course your Zoom meetings. But it has this dongle that you would connect to a computer, and this is what helps optimize the headset to work with all your software on your computer. So it comes with that. And of course, it talks about Bose music, and I'm sure it's going to have awesome quality sound, but we're going to do a test in the in-depth review. So be on the lookout for that. It has a nice little flap here. Oh, and it's magnetic. They're just thinking of all the details, kind of like Apple does with all their packaging and product design. Looks like a USB-C cable here. Is that how? Yeah, so it's got a USB-C port. That's always good. It's kind of the way that products are going these days. And then it looks like a 3.5 millimeter cable, so you can hook it up if you have no battery, I'm sure, to your phone or your computer through a 3.5 millimeter jack. So let's see, I think that's it. So we got the manual, we got the leather. It's kind of a hard case, but more of a soft case. It's nice premium feel for sure. You got the USB-C cable, 3.5 millimeter. You have your USB dongle, and of course you have your Bose 700 headset here. So there you have it. That's a sneak peek. Again, this is David with Headset Advisor. Be on the lookout for the in-depth review of this product, and we'll go over all the sound quality and features of this product. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you soon.